The Peugeot 508 from 2011 to 2017 features a dual-zone climate control system, allowing separate temperature settings for the driver and passenger sides. Synchronizing airflow links these zones, ensuring uniform temperature, airflow, and distribution. This is useful for maintaining consistent comfort, especially when driving alone. Look for the sync button, often depicted with interlocking arrows, on your climate control panel or touchscreen. Pressing this button will sync the passenger side settings to match the driver's settings, overriding any independent adjustments. This includes temperature, fan speed, and vent mode. To synchronize the climate zones in your Peugeot 508, first turn on the ignition and access the climate menu through the touchscreen. Adjust the driver's side settings to your desired temperature, fan speed, and vent mode. Then press the sync button on the climate panel to mirror the driver's settings to the passenger zone. The passenger zone will now mirror your settings, ensuring uniform climate control. If the synchronization doesn't work, here are troubleshooting steps. First, ensure the sync function is enabled in the vehicle's settings menu. Check for any obstructions blocking the airflow from the vents. If issues persist, diagnose with an OBD2 scanner to check the HVAC system's electronic control unit for error codes. A faulty climate control module or wiring issues can cause desynchronization, potentially requiring professional repair or module replacement.